Hello everyone, welcome to this project demo. I am Sneha and in this video I talked about the machine learning project where I built and evaluate the classification models using the bank dataset where I use the decision tree and random forest. Let's start by importing our dataset with the bank additional full CVS file. Here's I load the bank additional dataset. Since the dataset includes the categorical value, I used the one hot end coder to convert them into the numerical format for the model training. I split the dataset into the training and testing sets. Then I create the two model, a decision tree and classifications and random forest classifier. First, after the load the dataset, I print the dataset for 5 because I want to check the dataset work properly or not. After that, I print the column name. Here all the columns. Here I use the end coder for target and for target values, and also I use the one hot add coder for numerical data set. If I run, it's not show any error. Here it shows the distributions of the null employed. Here shows all the employers box plot, a bar plot and everything. In this figure it shows the correlation heat map. Here I split the data set into the training and testing set. For training I convert into the 80 percentage, and for testing I use the 20 percentage data set. Here I train the both model and check their accuracy. First I here is that both accuracy. Here I applied the decision tree. In decision tree, uh, it shows the accuracy is the 80 percentage. Accuracy is the 80 percentage, precaution is the 94 percentage, recall shows the 97, F1 shows the 95, support shows the 7308. In confusion matrix 7056 454 252 474. Here I applied the random forest. The random forest was the random forest was close with the around the 91.2 percentage on the training, and for testing is the 90.6 percentage. Here also shows the random forest top 10 important features is the distribution in NR employed, Eurobron 3AM, previous, age and everything. Next I evaluate the both model using the precaution, recall and the F1 source. Well, both models perform well. Random forest shows the better balance, especially for the positive class. However, the recall was the lower, indicate the missing some true positive values. Here in the accuracy, for comparison, decision tree was the higher and random forest is the lower for model accuracy comparison. In the end, the decision training score was the 91 and testing was 91, and random forest training was the 91 and testing was 90 percentage. That's it. Thank you so much. Here all code are run perfectly. In the all code there are no show any error. Thank you so much, ma'am.